water. Bring it to a boil. Enoki. It's better to chop up enoki very finely because you can absorb all the goodies, the nutrients. Little bit of bacon. This adds the flavor. Garland chrysanthemum, shungiku in Japanese. Mochi, rice cake. And the pumpkin is cooked. Put it all in. And whatever stock you have, I happen to have chicken stock. Just 1 teaspoon. That's it. And just cook until and a dash of light soy sauce, just a little bit. Cook on medium heat until the mochi is soft. It is. Just take the broth. Just right. There is a reason why I put the green leaves, sumiku first, because it sits in the bottom, and then you place the mochi on top on the green leaves, so that the mochi, when mochi is cooked, it will not stick to the bottom of the saucepan. See? Like that. But if you put the mochi first in the bottom of the saucepan, mochi will stick to the bottom of the saucepan, and it's going to be a little bit hard to get it off. Well, when you want to wash it. So that's why you put the green leaves at the bottom. That's it. Itadakimasu. This is a good way to start the morning. It's a very hot dish. This will make you hot. It's a nice warm dish, nice hot dish to kick off the day of winter morning.